Every time you bring out your puppet, it feels like chaos, right? The children love it. They laugh, they shout, they move in every direction. And then it's hard to keep control. The secret of an activity that flows isn't in what the puppet does. It's in what it does not. When we use a puppet, we often think, I need to say something, I need to talk, I need to guide to fill the space. But that's a trap. Because the moment you start talking, especially when you're still finding your way with your puppet, or when a child is already full of energy, you lose your calm. And when you lose your calm, you lose your connection. Instead of rushing to speak, start the way a child naturally does when entering a new space. They look around. And then they look again. And again. They breathe in and breathe out. And then they make eye contact. Do that with your puppet. Let it arrive slowly. Let it look. Breathe. Notice. No words yet, just presence. By showing what you want the child to do, simply looking, breathing, noticing. You create calm. You create space. And you spark curiosity. That's the moment where connection begins, long before words. I'm Helen Meurs and I help you use a puppet to reach the child behind the behavior. And my tip for you, copy what most children do when they enter a space. That's the better way to start.